Good morning, children. Today we will discuss one more important topic beta in chemical equations lesson, that is types of reaction. Okay, in this here depending on the way of reacting, there are so many types of reactions beta. In that, first one, combination reaction. We will discuss now combination reactions beta. Okay, in this combination reaction, two or more substances are combined together to form a single product. Okay, here look at this example beta. Carbon and oxygen both are reacts together and forming carbon dioxide. Okay, here carbon and oxygen, the reactants, combine together and forming a single product. So it is said to be combination reaction. Next, look at here. Hydrogen and oxygen both will combine together to form water, H2O. Okay, and next look at here. So it is also said to be combination reaction beta. And look at here beta, calcium oxide, lime. Okay, lime, another name quicklime. Okay, calcium oxide, formula CaO. Okay, lime or quicklime. Okay, it is reacting with water and forming calcium hydroxide. Okay beta, so calcium oxide combine together water and forming calcium hydroxide, a single product. So it is said to be combination reaction. Okay, another names of calcium hydroxide are slaked lime or lime water. Slaked lime or lime water. Okay beta, look at here. In this beaker beta, some amount of lime is taken. Okay na, to this lime some quantity of water is added. Okay na, when the water is added slowly, what will happen? This lime reacts with this water, combined with this water and forming calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide, another names are slaked lime or lime water beta. Okay beta, so this combination giving calcium hydroxide, no, so it is said to be combination reaction. During this reaction, some amount of energy is released as a heat. Okay, so that's why it is said to be exothermic reaction. Okay, because of exothermic reaction, here after completion of reaction, the container or the beaker become hot. Okay, if you touch the beaker, will feel somewhat warm or hot beta. Okay, so it is combination reaction and also exothermic reaction beta. So this is about combination reaction. Okay, here this reaction is very important beta. It is used in activity also. Okay, next this calcium hydroxide which will form as a product used in whitewashing walls also beta. I will write the related equation also. Okay beta. Look at here beta, in this calcium hydroxide which is formed as a product, when it is applied on the walls, what will happen? It will react with atmospheric carbon dioxide and forming a thick layer of or one bright layer of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate formula CaCO3. Okay, the name of this calcium carbonate is limestone. Okay, as a precipitate it is formed beta. Precipitate means insoluble form. Okay, so this calcium carbonate, after forming calcium carbonate, the wall become more bright beta. Okay, so this is the reactions. These two reactions are used in whitewashing walls beta. Okay beta, understood?